Hello, welcome to Social Data Mining. Uh, Assignment 4. The topic for today is Azure Image Classifier. My name is Arman Kerosinwala, and the topic for today is the Azure Image Classifier, and the assignment details are: we need to select a topic for the image classifier, we need to create a new project on customvision.ai, create tags, upload the image and assign tags to them. Then we need to train our project, and then we need to test it with different predictions. So the topic I have selected over today is different types of cricketer. So I will show a live demonstration of it. So here, after creating a new project, here is the name of the project, that is the cricketers. I have created the tags, and this is for all the cricketers in there, and this is as per the particular names of them. So now we'll add the images to it. So this is for the Dhoni, and we need to enter the tags. So the tag cricketers, and this is the cricketer named MS Dhoni. So we'll upload the files. So as you can see, the file has been getting uploaded. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded, the images have been uploaded. So now we'll do the same for the other cricketers as well. So now we are uploading for the other cricketers as well. So as you can see, we are able to upload 7 images and 1 image was failed. So now we'll do it for the other cricketers as well. So as you can see, all the images have been uploaded for the cricketers with named with different tags. So now we will train our model, our dataset. So by clicking over here, it will train our dataset. So we'll click on quick training over here. So now it's getting trained. So we need to create a new project by clicking on the new project over here. So we need to name our project name over here, and these are the steps which we have followed. It's been listed in the presentation. So here is the name tags, the image is uploaded. So now we'll check if our dataset has been trained. So it's still in training. Let's give it some time. So we have reached over till over here, that is the quick training. After that it will look like this, that is the iteration, the training model and everything, and it will give us a count of how many images we have uploaded, and the cricketer will give us like in total the images we have uploaded. So as you can see over here, the dataset has been trained with 100% precision. So the tags, and it shows like what's the precision, what's the recall rate for it, and the image count and the total number of images. So this is the performance. Now we'll do the quick test, that is the prediction of it. So we'll click on the quick test. So over here we'll add some images to test it with our dataset. So we don't have this image of the cricketer MS Dhoni in our dataset. So we'll see how resemble it. We'll copy the link address and we'll paste the URL over here. See how it goes. So as you can see, the cricketers, it falls under cricketer tab because of the jersey color of the cap logo, but it doesn't recall it as MS Dhoni. It has percentage of 0.3% because all the images we have of MS Dhoni is him being clean shaved rather than have beard, whereas Virat Kohli does have a beard, so it resembles it with around 54.5%. So now we'll see for the other cricketer. Let's see for the Brendan McCullum. So this is the picture of Brendan McCullum doing a stumping. So we'll copy this link address as well. So it should resemble mostly with MS Dhoni rather than Brendan McCullum, because we do have an image of MS Dhoni doing a stumping in our dataset. Let's see. So as I said, because of the stumps and the bells, we do have a similar image of cricketer MS Dhoni doing a stumping. So it resembled with the stumps, the bells and everything, and the body posture as well. So it classified it as MS Dhoni. It only changes the jersey color. So that's the reason it has classified Brendan McCullum as the less. So now we'll do another. So let's see, we don't have Virat Kohli's any animated pictures in our dataset. So let's see if it does classify it as MS Virat Kohli. So we'll use this image. Okay, so it does classify Virat Kohli because of the beard, the eyes and the hair, and mostly the logo, but it mostly resembles with Ricky Ponting, I guess, because we do have a image of Ricky Ponting with such a posture after he have scored 100. So that's the reason it resembled more with Ricky Ponting rather than Virat Kohli. So now we'll take a player which is not in our dataset. So let's see how does it classify. So as we can see, it mostly classifies this picture is not in our dataset, so it classifies with Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni the most because of the jersey color, the India logo, the color and the helmet and the posture. And third last, it resembles with Ricky Ponting because of the helmet and the bat after he has scored the century. So now we'll see some football players if it classifies it as well. Let's see, we will take Ronaldo's example, for example. So over here it do classify it with the Brendan McCullum the most because of the jersey color, as the Kiwis has the black stripes in their jersey, so it do resembles with the jersey color the most. Now let's see with the Messi. So it resembles with Brendan McCullum because we do have a picture of him with a beard. So with the skin tone and everything, he do the image classifier do resemble it with Brendan McCullum, and secondly with the Virat Kohli because of the beard, but because of the skin color and everything, it mostly resembles it with Brendan McCullum. So that's all. So over here there is the steps of how we have did it, the percentage, the accuracy percentage, the challenges faced, other football players which we have taken in consideration, and what's the percentage as well. And that's all from my side. Thank you. Here is the YouTube video link. Thank you. Have a nice day.